I think everybody might want that one. Just saying. Where's my tea at? That's the tea, y'all. Unbox the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. So let's get into it, okay? Let's see. So I already ripped it open, y'all, because I had to know. Ooh, excuse me with that sweat. Ew, gross. So let's see what we got. Got a nice little pop socket. Beautiful. Thank you. Ooh, we got the liquid frost. Liquid highlight. Ooh. I don't know if I have this one. This is in Frozen Peach. I don't know if I have this one, but I really like these. Okay. Oh, this is the lip ammunition in the shade Allegedly. Okay. The infamous mystery shade. We gonna swatch these to see. Wow, we got these. And what's this? Oh, and then we have the velour liquid lip, of course, and caramel. Okay, so that's it. So let's go ahead. This right here. Come on, caramel. You know, we're just gonna swatch them all in my hand. Oh, look at that. That's cute. So apparently, you're not supposed to pump anything like this. It has a dofa, and then you're pumping bacteria in there, as well as drying out your product. I learned that the other day. Shout out to my girl who taught me. I'm gonna expose y'all like that, but thanks, sis. Well, let's go in with Allegedly. So here's her. Not bad. Frost action. Forgive me. The mystery shade. And I'm gonna call this the mystery shade because it ain't got no name. It's a mystery. Who his daddy is. I hear me. Y'all see this? Let's just go in. So we have the liquid highlight. Oh god, this is like dripping. It's gross. We have the liquid highlighter, which is in Frozen Peach right here. It has a nice little pink sheen to it. Nice warm tones. Got like purple reflex. We love it. That's cute. We have Allegedly here, which is like a camo green on me. It's definitely works with all. So this is Allegedly, which together they kind of look bomb. I don't know if y'all want to try doing an ombre effect kind of, but that's bomb right there. But so on the inside we swatched Allegedly again. Where we at? We swatched Allegedly again on the bottom, but that is the mystery shade. Mystery shade, Allegedly. This mystery shade, I know he said he's not gonna make it again, but do y'all see that? That is a very wearable shade for a lot of people. They might wear it, could probably wear that on the daily. Look at a little smoky eye, that would look cute. I mean, it's just like a little bit lighter than Allegedly. It's kind of in the same family. He knew what he was doing with that one. That's a good one. There's so many things you can do with that. That was like a little mixture shade with a little brown lip liner. Not the one in the last video from Appeal. Skip that one. But I mean, unless you're lighter than my skin tone, then you can wear it and use it. And that would look really good with that. Just blend it out a little bit. In this tea so video. So I mean, that's a wrap. If you like this unboxing, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. If you have subscribed, thank you, because y'all be real. Y'all be holding me down. Like, thank you so much. We love you. We appreciate you. You are the best. And for all those who want to be the best, go ahead and subscribe. Get up on there, alright? And until next time, we'll talk to you later. See ya.